Welcome to English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about dealing with noisy neighbours. In this video, you will follow Sarah and Daniel as they try to solve a common apartment problem. Have you ever had problems with loud neighbours? Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
What's that noise?
I think it's from upstairs.
It sounds like music.
If very loud music.
It's almost 9 o'clock.
That's too late for loud music.
I can't hear the TV now.
Me too, this is a problem.
What should we do?
Maybe it will stop soon.
I hope so.
Let's wait a little.
It's been 30 minutes now.
The music is still very loud.
I can feel the bass in my head.
This is not normal.
We need to do something.
But what can we do?
We could talk to them,
I don't know them very well.
but we live here too.
You're right. This isn't fair.
Let's try to sleep first.
Good idea. Maybe tomorrow. I can't sleep.
Me neither. The music is too loud.
It's almost 11 o'clock.
This is really not okay.
I have work tomorrow.
And I have an early meeting.
We need our sleep.
Tomorrow we talk to them.
Yes, we have to.
Let's try earplugs tonight.
Good idea.
Hopefully they help. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Not really. The music stopped at midnight.
That's way too late.
I feel so tired today.
We really need to talk to them.
I agree. But how?
We could knock on their door.
What if they get angry?
We'll be polite and friendly.
Okay, let's try tonight.
Yes, when I get home from work.
I hope they understand. So what should we say to them?
We should be nice and polite.
Yes, we don't want problems.
We can say the music is too loud.
And that we can't sleep.
We should explain our situation.
Maybe they don't know it's loud.
That's possible. Let's be understanding.
Good idea. Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's do this now.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
Remember, stay calm and friendly.
Here we go.
I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, we'll be fine.
What if they're not home?
Then we'll try again tomorrow.
That's apartment 3B, right?
Yes, right above us.
I can hear music already.
Yes, but it's not too loud now.
Maybe this is a good time.
I think so too.
Let's knock gently.
This is it. Are you ready?
Yes, let's knock.
Not too loud.
Just a gentle knock.
Hello? Excuse me?
I hope they heard us.
Let's wait a moment.
I think someone is coming.
Yes, I hear footsteps.
Remember to be polite.
Of course. Here they come.
Stay calm. Hello, we live in apartment 2B.
We live right below you.
We wanted to talk to you about something.
It's about the music at night.
We can hear it in our apartment.
It's quite loud, especially after 9.
We have trouble sleeping.
We both work early in the morning.
We don't want to cause problems.
We just wanted to let you know.
Maybe you could turn it down a little?
Especially after 10 o'clock.
Oh, you didn't know it was loud?
That's very understanding of you.
Thank you for being so nice.
We really appreciate it.
We're sorry to bother you.
But we needed to say something.
You seem very reasonable.
It's great to have good neighbors.
Yes, communication is important.
Thank you for understanding.
We should get to know each other better.
That would be nice.
We should introduce ourselves properly.
I'm Daniel, and this is Sarah.
We've been living here for 6 months.
But we haven't met many neighbors yet.
It's nice to finally talk to you.
Yes, this building seems very quiet.
Most of the time, yes.
We like it here,
The location is perfect for work.
and the neighborhood is safe.
Maybe we could have coffee sometime?
That sounds like a great idea.
Maybe we can find a good solution.
What time do you usually play music?
We work different hours than you.
That makes sense.
Could you keep it quieter after 9?
And maybe off completely after 10?
That would help us sleep better.
We go to bed around 10:30.
And we wake up at 6:30.
Early morning jobs are difficult.
We need good sleep to function.
I'm sure we can work this out. So we agree on the quiet hours?
Yes, after 9 o'clock, lower volume.
And completely off after 10.
That works perfectly for us.
Thank you for being so reasonable.
Thank you for talking to us directly.
Some people would just complain to management.
We prefer to solve things ourselves.
It's much better this way.
Now we can all be happy.
Exactly. Good neighbors help each other.
We should go back now. Good night.
That went really well.
Much better than I expected.
They seem like nice people.
Yes, very understanding and polite.
I'm glad we talked to them.
It was the right thing to do.
Now we can sleep peacefully.
And we made new friends too.
I feel much better about everything.
Communication really does work.
We should remember this lesson.
Always talk first, complain later.
I'm so glad that's over.
And it ended so well.
I was worried they might be angry.
But they were completely understanding.
They didn't even know it was a problem.
Sometimes people just don't realize.
That's why talking is so important.
I feel proud of us.
We handled it like adults.
No arguments, no anger.
Just honest, polite conversation.
That's how problems should be solved. Listen, do you hear that?
I don't hear anything.
Exactly. It's so quiet.
No loud music tonight.
They kept their promise.
Good neighbors keep their word.
I can finally watch TV in peace.
And we'll sleep well tonight.
This is how evenings should be.
Quiet and relaxing.
I'm looking forward to bed.
Me too. A full night's sleep.
It's so peaceful tonight.
I almost forgot how quiet it can be.
No music, no bass, no vibration.
Just silence.
Beautiful, wonderful silence.
I think I'll sleep very well.
We both will.
Tomorrow, we'll feel so much better.
Rested and ready for work.
This is what home should feel like.
Comfortable and quiet.
Good night, Sarah.
Z.
Z. Z.
So comfortable.
Perfect sleep.
No noise.
So quiet.
Finally.
Peace.
Good neighbors.
Sweet dreams. Good morning. I feel amazing.
Me too. I slept so well.
No noise all night long.
8 hours of perfect sleep.
I feel ready for anything today.
Talking to our neighbors was the best idea.
Communication really works.
And we made new friends too.
Now we have good neighbor relationships.
This is how apartment living should be.
Respectful and peaceful.
I'm so happy we solved this problem.
I hope this video helped you improve your English. By practicing English conversations like this, you can learn how to solve everyday problems politely. What would you do if your neighbor was too loud? Please share your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning videos. See you next time.